Everyone wants to be successful. Everyone wants to achieve their goals. But here's the truth most people never admit. Motivation doesn't last. You wake up pumped one day, ready to crush it, and the next day, you feel nothing. Motivation is fleeting. It comes and goes like the weather. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't isn't motivation, it's discipline. Motivation is like caffeine. It gives you a burst of energy, but it's temporary. It's triggered by feelings, not habits. When you feel excited, motivated, or inspired, you act. But feelings are unreliable. It disappears when challenges arise. The harder the task, the less motivated you feel. It makes you dependent on external triggers. A quote, a video, or someone cheering you on might push you forward. But what happens when it's just you? This is why relying only on motivation is a trap. It will never carry you consistently toward your goals. That's where discipline comes in. Discipline is the ability to do what needs to be done even when you don't feel like it. It's showing up every day regardless of your mood. It's choosing long-term results over short-term comfort. It's building systems and habits that guide you instead of relying on fleeting emotions. Think of discipline as a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. And here's the beauty. Once it's strong, you don't need motivation anymore. Your habits carry you. Here's the thing. Motivation might get you started, but discipline keeps you going. Motivation will get you to work out one day. Discipline will get you to work out 365 days in a row. Motivation might inspire you to write an article. Discipline will make you publish a book. Motivation might make you sketch today. Discipline will make you build a portfolio that changes your career. Discipline is what separates dreamers from achievers. Motivation is a spark. Discipline is the fire. So, how do you build discipline? Here are some practical steps. Start small. Don't overhaul your entire life at once. Commit to one habit consistently. Small wins compound over time. Remove friction. Make good habits easy and bad habits hard. If you want to read more, leave the book on your pillow. If you want to stop scrolling, delete the app. Create a routine. Your future self will thank you for predictable, structured days. Consistency beats occasional bursts of motivation. Track your progress. Discipline grows when you see results. Keep a journal, checklist, or tracker to measure your efforts. Accept discomfort. Discipline isn't comfortable. It means doing what's hard, doing what's boring, doing what you don't feel like doing. Remember, discipline isn't punishment. It's freedom. It frees you from depending on your mood, your feelings, or outside forces. Look at the world's most successful people. They didn't wait to feel like working. They showed up every day. Athletes train even when they're tired. Entrepreneurs work while others sleep. Artists create when inspiration is nowhere in sight. None of them relied on motivation. They relied on discipline. And that's why they achieved results that seem impossible to the rest of us. So next time you feel unmotivated, don't wait. Don't hope for inspiration. Show up anyway. Do the work anyway. Comment below, what's one habit you're committing to today? Let's start building discipline together.
Yes, you made it all the way to the end. Congratulations. We're Bangalo, and our whole thing is helping you stay productive, assist you to build your brand, and on track to crush your goals. If you're vibing with this, hit like, drop a comment so we can chat, and of course, subscribe our channel so you don't miss the next one. Catch you in the next video. Until then, keep dreaming.